pi d square by 4 and weighted perimeter pi d pi by weighted perimeter 2 by r by d, convert into d and you substitute, you will get 0.53. 0.53 is assumed diameter. This is assumed diameter 0.53 and by 4 you will get 0.1325 meter, right? So r is known now, v is known, 2g is known, unknown is f1, right? So f1 is coefficient of which provides loss of head and entry. So okay, the entry of the pipe. Okay, I'll show in diagram. Okay, this is entry here. Here is entry, right? This is wall. This is well. Okay, so water will flow through here, and suddenly it will enter from here only. So what is the head loss here? That is that F1, right? So notch will be provided here. Okay, at the entry of the water. Okay, through notch only water will enter through notch in the well. Okay, so from here to here, so substitute everything. F2 is given, so F2 is again constant. Okay, it depends on two parameter, a into 1 plus 0.3 b by r. So r is known again. R, how to find r? Okay, area to weighted perimeter, area, circular area and perimeter of the circle. Okay, a is known, a is constant, b is constant. Substitute here, you will get F2. F2 is this much, F1 is this much. Substitute here, everything you will get, right? So now length of the barrel can be calculated into, okay. So in the ground, you can study horizontal drilling. Through horizontal drilling, how much length uh, is there, then directly you can substitute length, no issue. Or else you can calculate, okay, length of the barrel. Suppose it is suppose 20 meter, right? But in market there will be available only in 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, not 6 centimeter, it is feet, 6 feet or 8 feet or 180 centimeter to 40 centimeter. So how much, how many pipes are connected so that it can meet 20 meter? Just eight number of pipes are each measuring 8 feet. So 8 feet, 8 number of pipes are 8, and each pipe having 8 feet can be cover 20 meter. Let it be in centimeter, you can assume, no problem. Okay, so now substitute everything here. L, this is L, this is R, this is V, 2 into G, and this is F2 and F1. Everything is known, you will get 0.5, right? So bedding to the pipe is 30 centimeter. Thick leveling concrete is enough. Okay, you can assume 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 45 centimeter. Usually you can provide based on the field experience. Okay, that is based on experience only. Right? So now it is okay. Now you can say this. Well will be head up to downstream side plus head loss, right? Head loss you got 0.55 plus downstream side level is 17.75, right? 17.5, right? So add these two, you get 18.05. This is total level. This is upstream side level, right? Now discharge through trapezoidal notch. So trapezoidal notch is provided. So discharge you can calculate. So notch dimension we have to calculate so that we can go for this formula. So remember this formula. This is very important. You might know this. Okay. Discharge through end contracts. Number of end contracts is given means you have to use this formula, right? So substitute everything. Here D is depth. So depth is known. 0.75 is the depth. Okay. N is unknown number of contractions. So L is unknown. So substitute everything. You will get 2.99. So concisely 2.99 in place of 23 from here to here up to this level, right? So next I'll show that. So these terms are given. Just go through it. Okay, now there are two conditions because we have two unknowns, right? We don't know length of the notch and we don't know end contractions, number of end contractions also we don't know. Okay, for that what you have to do, we have to design two unknowns, we require two equations, you might know that, right? So we'll go for full discharge condition and half discharge condition. Full discharge condition will keep discharge as usual what has given in question, that is 0.5 meter cube per second, and full supply depth is equal 0.75, right? Substitute everything. Depth is 0.75. Okay, L is unknown, N is unknown, D is 0.75. Substitute this, you will get L plus 0.3N is equal to 0.368. This is equation. Okay, let it be 5. Already some equations are there. So this is 5. And for half discharge condition, again you have to make discharge by 2, right? 0.5 by 2 is 0.25. Okay, so this is full supply depth. This is trapezoidal notch. So you might have studied full supply, half supply, quarter supply, right? So this is full supply. When it meets 3 by 4th conditions. Okay, then only you will get discharge half, right? Okay, so you will get 0.56 to F5. Substitute that also. Okay, you will get equation this one, right? L plus 0 to 5. Solve these two equations, you will get L and N. Okay, that is next term. Okay, solving equation is easy for you. Okay, x plus y, you might study everything. Okay, L is equal to N is equal to, so number of N contraction will be 1 plus 1 3. That means you should not say that 1 plus if N contraction is more than 1. Okay, round of value is 2. So number of N contractions 2, not 1.13. Don't say that, right? So we should not say that 1.13 in number of N contraction. Number of N contraction should be round of value, right? So L is equal to, substitute that, we will get 0.03 meters. So convert into centimeters. So just 3 centimeter is the length of the notch, right? Trapezoidal notch. So you might, this is the equation, that is the N is equal to 2 tan alpha. From this alpha you can get, N is known, so alpha you will get approximately 30 degree. Okay, approximately it is 30 degree. Okay, so bottom width of the notch, it still, so it is only at level of, but at what level? 18 meter, because ground level is at 18 meter. So just 3 centimeter. And now top width of the notch. Okay, top width of the notch you can calculate. So bottom width into 2 triangles, right? So 2 half triangles. So just you can calculate 90 centimeter, 92 centimeter. So you can provide 1 meter also, no issue. Okay, so always go for round of values. Okay. Next, design of the well. How to design well? So well can be developed. Barrel itself is 53. That is, we have assumed diameter is 0.53 meter. So it can be, it should be double than this. So bed width of the internal diameter of the well should be double. Okay. So it is, if you make it double, you will get 1.06 something. So let it be 1.25 or 1.5 also. It's not, it's not that much important. So it should be double than barrel diameter. That's it. Internal diameter of the well should be double than barrel diameter, pipe diameter, right? Both wells are taken down to hard ground, definitely, and it provided with 60 centimeter thickness foundation concrete. Okay, 10 centimeters which rich concrete. Rich concrete in the sense more percentage cement is provided. Okay, upstream side and downstream side, based on the level we can substitute that. Okay, bottom level of the staining, so 20 minus 18, that is 2 meter difference, so that would be at 16.6 meter. So simple, TBL level and bed level. Okay, TBL level is already is mentioned in question. Okay, the height of the well is only 20.4 minus 16 point, this minus 20.4, so 3.8 is the height of the well. So upstream side and downstream side will be should same height. Okay, the staining is 0.4, staining in the sense providing some sort of strengthening, right? So more than 1 meter is more than enough. So this is 0.4 meter is more than enough. Okay, that much thickness is more than enough. When canal is running full, you know the base concrete will be experienced more uptip pressure. Okay, so for this level, let it be applicable anything. Okay, number is not mentioned. I am not needed that too. So this is simple. When canal is running full means definitely base concrete will experience more uplift pressure. Definitely, right? So this is the diagram. So which was drawn from QCAD. So through software we have to design. This is the uh, as of now we have discussed what only design parameter. So now we have to draw in QCAD. Okay, so this is the well height 3.8. So this is from here to here barrel. So that is 17 meter. 18 meter is 20 meter. Okay. So here is the road length up to here 5 meter. Okay. So this is cutting and embankment. Here also cutting and embankment 1:1 and 1.5:1. Okay, respectively. So this is downstream well. Okay. This is what you call. So this each pipe is connected, right? Each length 8 feet, 8 feet, 8 feet. Okay, connected up to here. Okay, next this is upstream side. So notch is provided well up wall of the well, right? Inside the wall we will provide notch. So whatever the dimension we got, that dimension we have to provide opening, so that water can be flow through that notch and fall here, and water can enter from here, through the barrel, and it will go from here to here simply without external force, right? So this is the exercise. Okay, exercise 2, that is safe and well drop. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.